This is Shane welcoming you back to another Procom tutorial video. Here we're going to talk about how to export some video from an HDX NVR. So here we are, we're already logged in, but we're going to right click and click search. And let's look at what we've got here. This is our calendar. Blue days are marked, I should say the days that are blue have recorded information on them. I only have a 1 terabyte drive in this NVR just for demonstration purposes, so don't have a whole lot of recording time, but that's okay. We're just going to export a clip from the 27th. That would be yesterday. This is when I'm going to be heading off to work, and instead of looking at 4 videos at a time, I'm just going to look at one, and it's going to be channel 5. So if we press play here, it's going to start at midnight. Now, I left at about, I was a little late, so I was at about 8:40. So we're going to zoom in on our timeline so we can navigate it a little better, and then mark our in and out points. So here we have our buttons at the bottom for the length of time that our timeline covers. So 24 hours is what we're looking at by default. 2 hours, 1 hour, and 30 minutes lets us zoom in and be more specific about what we're going to be viewing. So let's look at 30 minutes. And I know I left it about, like I said, about 8:39, 8:40. So let's see when I get to the car. Yeah, here I am. So let's set our in point to be right about here. Now that is, when I say in point, I have a background using Final Cut. So basically this is the time code that our clip is going to start at. And then I'm going to let it play through a little bit. I've got this tape on my windshield because I had to have it replaced from a rock hitting it, which was a lot of fun. So I'm going to be removing that, etc., skipping ahead. I had to take the garbage out, of course, before I left. So let's see. I got in the car and drove away at for 8:43 and 20 seconds. So I'm going to mark the end of our video clip with this button here. So there's our entire clip there. It's 3.5 minutes. So I can pause our playback and then click save. Now, here's our clip ready to record. We're going to hit back up, and let's create a new folder here. I've had to re-record this a couple times because of some technical difficulties, so I'm going to create a new folder and just call it Demo 2. How about that? There it is, Demo 2, and let's click Start. Now, let's see, this is exporting rather quickly. Alright, it's finished. That was pretty easy. So let's back out of here and then take our thumb drive and plug it into our PC. I'll show you how to access it. Alright, so that opened up right away. Let's open up that folder. Demo 2. Now here we have smartplayer.exe. What that is a compact version of a video player that lets us play the clip that we just exported. Now the reason for that is because all of the information, all of the video data that's recorded to the NVR has a watermark on it. The watermark makes sure that it is authentic video. It means it hasn't been tampered with. So if you're using this video, say for a court case, nobody can refute its authenticity. So that's important. Let's open the Smart Player. We're going to click OK, and then we're going to drag our video file over to the Smart Player. And there it is, starting to play right away. So there's our clip. And we can zoom in with the scroll wheel on the timeline. Here's our clip, it's just a short one. We can move through it a little bit. So now this is a nice simple file that we can send up to Google Drive, or we can email it to someone who might need it. And we've successfully exported our video clip. So thanks for watching, and stay tuned on our channel for more tutorial videos.